Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the TV can pair. Check your Sony model supports Bluetooth and that firmware is up to date. Once done, power the TV and sign into your account so settings are available. Open Settings, then select Remote and Accessories to access Bluetooth controls. Meanwhile, put your headphones or speaker into pairing mode and keep it close, within 3 to 5 meters, so the TV can detect it quickly. This reduces pairing errors and speeds the process. Next, you initiate pairing. Choose Add Device or Bluetooth device from Remote and Accessories. The TV will scan for nearby devices. Be patient and watch the list populate. When you see the exact device name, select it. This tells the TV which hardware to link. If a PIN prompt appears, enter the device's PIN, commonly 0000 or 1234, or confirm the pairing request on both products. Make sure volume is low on speakers during initial connect to avoid loud pops. To finish, confirm the Bluetooth device is selected as the audio output. Go to Settings, Sound, Audio Output, and pick the paired device. Test audio and adjust sync or volume as needed. Some Sony TVs offer audio delay settings to align lips and sound. If pairing fails, restart both TV and the accessory, remove old pairings, and retry. Also reduce interference by distancing from Wi-Fi routers or other electronics. This single restart and interference check resolves most remaining issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.